ikulumo ebeyilindwe ngabomvu kanti negadango lokudlulela emandleni ahlanzekileko bekuyindaba ekhulunywako kule kulumo. UNdunakulu Mtshweni-Tsipane uthi imphakathi esemkhakheni yamalahle ayizukusala.
We are exploring plans to diversify our local economies to reduce dependency on coal, reskilling and upskilling the most vulnerable in the labor force, and supporting small businesses and cooperatives in local communities to access emerging opportunities in the green economy sector.
Emrarweni wesibalo esikhupukako sabantu abangasebenziko, isifunda sithi sinethemba lokuvula amathuba omsebenzi ayi-90,000 ingakapheli inyanga ezili-15. Bewatsho nokuthi isikhwama sikandunakulu sokukhwezelela ilutsha, i-Premier Youth Development Fund, selithomile ukuveza imiphumela emihle.
In the current financial year, 36 companies have been approved for funding with a total amount of 92.3 million rand dispersed thus far.
Ukusisa imthangalasisekelweni kuzokuba liqalo ndanzi. Lokhu kufaka hlangana inkolo, imbedlela, indlela, izindlu nemthangalasisekelo yamanzi. Kodwa Iyatjhayisana imbono yenhlangano eziphikisako.
In terms of the development of the youth and creating jobs and businesses for the youth, and we have seen them standing up one by one to indicate that the money that we have agreed upon have been invested accordingly.
I'm disappointed that the school for the deaf was not even mentioned. This is a project that the people of this province are passionate about because we don't have a school for the children with learning disabilities. The Premier said nothing about gender-based violence. The crimes have increased.
She didn't speak about the recent disaster in terms of how is she going to make sure that those affected people get help from government in terms of their collapsed houses.
UNdunakulu uthonyekile ngemphumela yomhloli incwadi kubomasipalati abaningi uthi bazokuragela phambili nokubasekela.